Hey guys, and this video is going to be a little different from my usual washer and dryer stuff. This is kind of what I do with all that washer and dryer money. And I'm going to start doing more real estate investing type videos to update you guys on what's going on. And I also want to do a series on how to get into real estate. And this is the first video of it. Hey guys, great news. We're finally getting the trailer movers. They're coming in the morning. And they're moving this trailer to a lot that we bought. And everything's finally working out. We have been trying to get a trailer mover to move this trailer since about January, and now this is getting close to the end of the year, September. Many reasons, several of them canceled at the last minute, some just stopped answering the phone, and now we finally got one that's going to do it, and they've already got the machines here, so I think this is actually going to happen. Biggest issue with this trailer is the porch is bumped up to a slab that's right here, and it's got to be scooched back. That's what that machine behind their trailer mover is. So they're going to come here, slide that machine up underneath here, pull it back, go over there, pull it back, and then they can pull out of here. But a lot of the trailer movers got here, didn't have that machine, or they thought they could get the machine and they weren't able to get a hold of it. But now we're finally getting this thing done. And just so we have a background of what this deal was, we bought a house 2 doors down, and this trailer was included with the house. Longer story, and I'll go into that more later, but pretty much was a nearly free trailer. And then we found a lot that we got a really good deal on, and I'll film it too, for $6,000. This trailer was nearly free. We're gonna be moving it. It was probably gonna be, I'll give you a final bill at the end. We're thinking somewhere around $3,000. But we'll see at the very end what we'll make and how much we'll have invested in this thing. But this has been a long project, and it looks like it's finally coming to a end as far as getting it ready to rent finally. But we'll update y'all soon.